For the box skirt, we have to mark our zipper allowance. We have to go out 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters. We have to mark this until the end of our pattern paper. Then we have to connect all these points with a straight line. I will write zipper allowance. Then I will fold this in. Oops. This now will be the center back of our pattern. On the top side, I will square to mark our guideline. The waist measurement for an extra small figure is 24 inches or 61 centimeters. We fold the tape measure twice to get 1/4 of the waist measurement. We lay the tip of the tape measure on the center back on the guideline until 1/4 of the waist measurement. We mark this. Then, we will have to add 1 inch or 2.6 centimeters measurement for the dart allowance. Then, as we have added a 1/4 of an inch or 0.6 centimeter waistline easing on our front skirt, we have to do the same on our back skirt. We have to add 1/4 of an inch or 0.6 of a centimeter waistline easing. To get the center of our waist dart, we have to get our waist measurement, which is for an extra small figure, 24 inches or 61 centimeters. We fold the tape measure 3 times to get 1/8 of our waist measurement. We lay the tip of the tape measure on the center back on the guideline until 1/8 of the waist measurement. This will be the center of our dart. We will square this downwards. The length of the center dart is 6 inches or 15.5 centimeters. We mark this. Then, from this mark, we go out 1/2 of an inch or 1.3 centimeters. We mark this. And we also go out 1/2 of an inch or 1.3 centimeters on the other side of our center dart. Now, with all these points, we can connect all our dart lines. Now we will have to make an adjustment on our waistline. For the box skirt, please remember that from the guideline, we will always go down 1/2 of an inch or 1.3 centimeters. So we mark this. Then, we will connect these 2 points using this side of our curve ruler. Now we will cross this out. This now will be our waistline curve. For an extra small figure, the lower hip level is 5 inches or 12.5 centimeters. We lay the tip of the tape measure on the guideline or on the original waistline level. Then we go down 5 inches or 12.5 centimeters. Now we will square this outwards. The lower hip measurement for an extra small figure is 32 inches or 81 centimeters. We fold the tape measure twice to get 1/4 of the lower hip measurement. We lay the tip of the tape measure on the center back until 1/4 of the lower hip measurement. We mark this. To get the upper hip level, we lay the tip of the tape measure on the guideline or the original waistline level, and we fold the tip of the tape measure until it reaches the lower hip level. We mark the fold since this now will be the upper hip level. We square this outwards. The upper hip measurement for an extra small figure is 30 inches or 76 centimeters. We fold the tape measure twice to get 1/4 of the upper hip measurement. We lay the tip of the tape measure on the center back on the upper hip level and mark 1/4 of the upper hip measurement. Now that we have this point and this point, we can draw our upper side seam by using this side of our curved ruler. The short skirt measurement for the skirt of an extra small figure is 20 inches or 51 centimeters. We lay the tip of the tape measure on the guideline or the original waistline level, and we go down to 20 inches or 51 centimeters. We mark this. Then we will square this outwards. For the straight skirt silhouette, all we have to do is get 1/4 of the lower hip measurement and we bring it down to the hemline level. We mark this. With these 2 points, we can actually draw the lower side seam with a straight line connecting these 2 points. Please remember that though we made an adjustment on the waistline for a box skirt pattern, if we are drafting a straight skirt silhouette, the hemline of our box skirt pattern will always remain straight. Now if we want an A-line silhouette, from this point, we will add 1.5 inches or 3.8 centimeters. Or if we want a wider hemline, we will add 2 inches or 5 centimeters. Now we can connect these 2 points with a smooth straight line. But we have to refer to the front skirt pattern. As you can see, we just use 1.5 inches or 3.8 centimeters on our front skirt pattern. So we will have to use this measurement for a back skirt pattern. We will cross this out to avoid confusion. Now we can connect these points with a smooth straight line to form our lower side seam. As you can see, I started my connection somewhere here, not exactly on 1/4 of the lower hip measurement, as I might create a crooked line, which when sewn will pucker. So we avoid a crooked line when doing the side seam of our skirts. Now we have to make an adjustment on the hemline of our box skirt. Please remember that we will follow the measurement of the adjustment that we made for our front skirt. As you can see, we have made an adjustment of 1/4 of an inch or 0.6 of a centimeter. So we have to do the same here. We have to go down 1/4 of an inch or 0.6 of a centimeter. We mark this. Then using this side of our curved ruler, we will connect these 2 points. Before cutting this pattern of our extra small figure of the box skirt, we have to check if all our measurements are correct. Now we will cut the final pattern of our box skirt with an A-line silhouette of an extra small figure. This now is the final pattern. Ano bang pinagsasabi ko? Okay.